back to the my new video guys at my YouTube channel. Guys, today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we restart Poco phone. Friends, you want to restart your Poco phone, so how can we restart? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the videos. Well now let's see guys how can we restart. So first of all guys what will you have to do? So friends you will have to press on guys your power off button. Then guys you can see guys your reboot and power off means reboot means guys restart setting it because so guys we will reboot from here. Tap here to reboot, then guys your Poco phone will reboot. So I am going to pause video guys. It will take guys 20 and 25 seconds guys. Okay friends, as you can see guys this Poco powered by Android guys, you can check guys. Friends now guys you can check guys, you can open your phone guys you can see guys your Poco phone has reboot means restart. So like that guys we can restart means we can reboot our Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe channel. Bye bye friends.